Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying the life. Let's review what we learned up till now and see how we can add the project. At first we start our git bash, and after starting that, how we can go to the project. And for example, let's see we don't know anything, we just write git help. It gave us the comment and an explanation to how to use them. For the first, we are going to cd. What cd means? By cd, we go in a folder. Let's write cd and then go to the folder, project folder. Write it and change the slashes. I'm creating this review lesson because it's important to learn this thing and how to work them. It's good to understand the concept. Okay, after cd, we paste it here. Sorry, I copy a lot. Let me just paste it here. Okay, it's giving us the problem. Can you guess why? Let's do it another time. You see, it's giving us the problem because we don't copy it in the right way. Let me just change this thing to this way, and then we copy that and paste it here, cd. Why it's pasting like this? cd. Go to the place that we want. There is some problems we maybe come with or not. I didn't cut them because I want you to see the problem. After that, we need to add the project. We remember by git status, we find out what is the status of our project and see there is no branches. How we create another file in our project, git torch, I think. For example, pl.py. You see, it says this comment is not defined. How? We are going to use it. For example, let's say we write it in another way. And you see that we don't remember what is the right comment. And when we search here, we didn't find the right comment. So what should we do? We have many ways to do the work, and there are always many ways. What we are going to use? We are going to use git add and add our file from the last video. You see now when we say git status, it's giving us nothing because we don't do any comment on our files. But when we change this thing, open with Notepad. For example, let's write it here and then save it. Then, when we write git status, you see it says that this thing is modified. Now we want to commit our modifier. How we can commit that? You maybe remember or maybe not. It's not important. We search from here and find it. See the commit. We write what? Git commit. For example, I am changing. You see, it says it's not matching any file. Maybe it wants the file name here. For example, we are going to write hello.p. You see, it's open the file and see that it's opened the file here and git comment editing. We go to the view that we want to go through. I create this video for you to give you an understanding on how important you know what you are writing in your Git program and project You see, we create lots of mistakes and we even can't make a commit. Because of what? Because committing, as I write here, let me just delete this thing. When we open Git bash again, committing has another process. Here, Git, let me just write it, cd. When we go to the folder and we set git add, for example, hello.py, it say it can get it because another git is running the repository. This is the error when happened because we don't close the repository in the previous lesson, and for fixing that we need to close all the Git repository from the task manager. I'm going to do that, and in the next video we are going to complete this work, and I create this video to show you some of the mistakes that could happen to someone who is new to the Git. Until the next lesson, have a nice time.